Today I will relight my water heater. So the first thing I open the gas valve. So it doesn't matter you get the electric or something. My house got the gas valve, and then I shut it down before, so I have to change to the pilot. Alright, you gotta match with this light, and that's only why you can press this one. Alright, right now you gotta press this and press and hold, and use the lighter light up your pilot in there. And after you light up, you keep holding, because if you don't hold it, the magnet inside didn't recognize your thing system right here, so they will shut down again. So you have to do that, and of course before you have to make a vacation or pilot depending what your house heater. All right, of course you have to wear safety glasses just in case. So hold on the flashlight. Yeah, I forgot to hold that. That's why I said that. Yeah. Now you can see the pilot light to turn on, and I keep holding until 1 minute, more than over 1 minute. If not, if I release right now, they will shut down that pilot. So I have to keep it like that. Alright. Okay. I release the button, so flames stay on. So it's good. Now the second one, you have to make sure it's working or not. So I have to change to the on, so that's the test. Alright. Before you put the cover back, so I have to test what it's working or not. So I have to change to the on. See it? Okay, that's on. So you cannot press anymore. That's just on. Alright. From vacation, I change to turn on. We have click. You will see. See that? So that's good. Okay, now set down, because you want to put the cover back, you want to get hot. See that? Yeah, click. So depend, you see, the pilot still stay on, so it's good. And depending what your house, you get the vacation or pilot, doesn't matter. But this is the old one. I think the new one, you get the electric starter, so that's good. More safety to do that. Alright, now I put the cover back.